Every year, there are an estimated 6 million automobile accidents in the United States. 33,000 people die and more than 1.8 million are injured. The vast majority of crashes, more than 80%, result solely in damage to property. If you're the average American, some insurance industry sources say you'll be involved in a car wreck once every 18 years, meaning you'll likely crash a few times in your lifetime. Nobody wants to be in an accident, but being prepared and knowing what to do can save your life, reduce your chance for injury, and make going through the insurance process a whole lot easier. To be prepared, keep important information in your car like registration, proof of insurance, and the name and phone number of your insurance professional. It's also a good idea to carry important medical information such as known allergies and the name of your doctor. Make sure your car is emergency ready. Things like flares, orange cones, or emergency signs can help keep you safe after an accident. We all use technology for almost all communications, but there's always a chance it might not work when you need to record something like a phone number or license plate. So keep a notepad and pen in your car just in case. When you get in a car wreck, if you can, pull over to the side of the road. If there is any sign road rage may have played a role in the accident, use extra caution when you talk with the other driver. If you were bumped from behind and think you might have been the intended victim of a staged accident, make sure to pull off in a safe space. In every accident, there are several steps you need to take. First, if you or anyone is hurt, call 911. You should also call the police. It may not be necessary, but in some states it is required. An accident report may be helpful later in the claims process. Next, call your insurance professional as soon as possible, even from the scene of the accident, no matter who is at fault. Even if there appears to be only minor damage, it's important to find out whether you have coverage. Many companies have mobile apps that help jumpstart the claims process. Take pictures of all damage and write down the names of everyone involved. Take photos of the other driver's license plate and their insurance card. But be careful when exchanging driver's license information. You don't want to give away too many personal details like where you live. Find out what documents you need to give your insurer, like a proof of claim form. Also be sure to know if there's a deadline for filing and when you can expect to hear from your insurance company. If your car needs to go to the shop for repairs, you may need a rental car. Check to see if your policy covers the cost. The insurance company may even be able to pay the rental company directly, so you won't have to shell out money and wait for reimbursement. You'll also want to learn about the estimate and repair process. Your company will give you guidelines. Finally, keep your paperwork organized and make sure you give your insurer everything they request. Take notes about everyone you talk with and keep their contact information handy. If you have any questions at any time, contact your insurance professional or your state insurance department.